What's going on, everybody? Just wanted to share an update with a client that just signed up with me, I believe 35 days ago. She got some pretty good deletions. Got a finger hut deleted, T-Bomb, Target, Synchrony Bank, Midland Credit, Merrick Bank, LVNV Funding or Living Funding. Got a Blaze credit card, First Savings credit card, Children's Place, Victoria's Secret, Capital One, another Capital One, 22 total deletions. The other deletions were inquiries. So from September 15th to October 19th, their score went up 38 points on Equifax, 15 points on Experian, and 9 points on TransUnion. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.